Hiya, it's Joe from the Plugin Project, continuing our guitar lessons. Today we're going to be looking at strumming patterns. Now, when you're strumming the guitar, you can either use your hand or a plectrum or guitar pick to hit the strings. And there's two real options that we're going to go into today, which is a downstroke, which is strumming the strings from the thickest to the thinnest, and an upstroke, which is, as you'd expect, the opposite, going from the thinnest to the thickest. The other thing to consider when you're playing a strumming pattern or playing a song on the guitar is rhythm and a beat. So let's get our metronome, set it to 60 BPM, nice and slow, and we will have a listen to what I mean by a beat. So this is our pulse. In music, there's almost always a pulse. It's what you nod your head to, what you dance to, what you clap to. Let's have a listen to how we'd count this. So, if there's 4 beats in a bar, as there are in all the examples on the worksheet, you would count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the easiest way to translate that into playing on the guitar is to do a strum on each one of those beats. As the first example on the worksheet shows you, let's try doing downstrokes on beats 1 and 3 and upstrokes on beats 2 and 4. Let's have a listen to how that sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now, what if we want to play faster than that? It's hard to stay in time when the beat is this slow. So, a good way to practice staying in time, and how I think about music when I'm playing it now, is to count like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and what you're trying to do is keep the space between each of those bits as evenly spaced as possible. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now let's have a look at the first example on the second page of the worksheet. In this example we'll be playing downstrokes on the strung beats or down beats or the beats labelled 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we're going to be playing upstrokes on the up beats or off beats, which are all the ands on the little picture there. So let's have a listen to how that sounds on the guitar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and all the rest of the examples are for you to have a go at on your own. Choose whichever chords you want. I'd start with just using the one that you're best at. So for me that would be C. Once you've finished them, you could try writing your own or even putting some different chords underneath the strumming patterns. You could even make a song out of just these 3. It really is that easy. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.